The DPPH assay is used to test how good a substance is at fighting free radicals, which can damage cells. DPPH is a purple-colored chemical that has a free radical. When an antioxidant, a substance that removes free radicals, is added, it reacts with DPPH. This reaction changes the color of DPPH from purple to yellow. The more the color fades, less purple, the stronger the antioxidant. We measure this color change using a machine called a spectrophotometer at 517 nanometers, a specific wavelength of light. A big color change means the substance has strong antioxidant activity. To do the DPPH assay, first make a solution of DPPH in methanol. It will look purple. Then, take a small amount of the sample you want to test, like a plant extract or a chemical, and mix it with a DPPH solution. Let this mixture sit in the dark for about 30 minutes at room temperature. After that, measure the color of the solution using a spectrophotometer at 517 nanometers. If the color becomes lighter, less purple, it means the sample has antioxidant activity. The more the color fades, the stronger the antioxidant.